Hi, my name is Victoria, and I'm here in Dr. Jotti's office to tell you the wonderful results that my son is experiencing under his care. He was diagnosed with end-stage renal disease over 5 years ago, and we just wanted to know what caused it. The doctors at UCLA, Loma Linda, UCSD were not able to determine what happened to him, what caused it. They said his only option was a kidney transplant. However, I'm the type of person that thinks, things just don't happen like this. There is a reason for it. So we started on a quest to find out what it was that caused his kidney failure, and we've searched everywhere trying to find a cure for him. And we tried different diets, went to different healthcare practitioners, and they recommended different protocols, and none of them really helped Simeon. And just recently, my son went snowboarding in December of 2012, and he woke up the following day with severe pain in his shoulder. And so we took him to urgent care. They took x-rays. They said he had deteriorating tissue, and that is what was causing the excruciating pain. And before that, he has been in severe pain. He would cry out in his sleep as though someone was torturing him. He was in agony, and he would thrash in his sleep. When we were in urgent care, one of my friends called me to see how he was doing, and I told her I had him there because he was in excruciating pain. And she said she didn't know his name, but she knew some friends that were seeing Dr. Jotti, and they were getting wonderful results with him. So I called that person's mother, and she didn't pick up, so I called her friend, and she let me know the name of the doctor. And I Googled him, and I was so impressed with the testimonials that I made an appointment for Simeon, and here we are. And what's exciting is that after the second treatment, Simeon regained some balance, because prior to that, he would be standing still and losing his balance, falling backwards, and we were always afraid that he was going to injure himself. Even while he was driving, his hand would fall off the steering wheel, and of course that was a concern. He was always drowsy and sleepy, and now after the second treatment, Dr. Jotti was able to help him regain stronger reflexes. Continued treatments along the way, we've seen improvement in that Simeon no longer has nausea, vomiting, because he was vomiting every night. He has stability. I asked him the other night, I said, so do you notice an improvement in how you're feeling, son? And he said, yes, I feel more mentally alert and balanced. And that is exciting. After 7 to 8 sessions, then Simeon started producing more drops of urine, and I think even half a drop is exciting. Simeon is definitely getting signals from his brain showing that Dr. Jotti is actually using that part of his brain to send the proper signals to his kidneys, because now Simeon has gone from producing just a few drops of urine to now filling half a little urine cup. And so that is profound for Simeon. We are extremely excited, and Simeon's liver has stopped shrinking. He's regained proper liver function, and we know that if that's happening, the brain is making the proper connections, then it won't be long before Simeon is living a nice, healthy, normal life. Yes, one thing that I've thought was so wonderful to learn is how interconnected we are, and how important it is that the brain be healthy, because it's the organ that sends the messages or the signals to the rest of the organs of the body to function. And I learned that Simeon's brainstem was damaged because of a mountain of toxins, as Dr. Jody put it, was affecting his brain. It was actually the cause of his kidney failure. His liver was shrinking when we came in. He was suffering from other, I don't know if it was organ failure, but Dr. Jody said that it was about 65% was shutting down. And now Simeon has been able to regain liver function. It's normal. Simeon actually was very critically ill in February. It was scaring us. We thought we were going to lose him. However, now Dr. Jody says Simeon is out of the danger zone, and his children, Kaylin and Silas, were just cheering, and are rooting for Simeon, because it can be challenging to follow the protocol, because we're so used to eating everything and anything we want. But honestly, when we make the sacrifices and follow the doctor's instructions, you get nothing but positive results. And we are determined to be supportive of Simeon and cheer him on, because there's light at the end of the tunnel. We are excited about the way that Dr. Jody is able to remap the brain, because the toxicities in Simeon's blood damage the brain stem and certain parts of the brain, but the region that is functioning is able to be used to send the proper signals to the organs so that they will start functioning. And we're excited. Dr. Jody is like no one you've ever met. He is very up on the entire body, the way it works, all the systems, how they're integrated and related, interconnected. And he doesn't treat just one thing. He treats the entire body. And I've noticed in visiting with many patients in the visiting room, while we wait for his patients to have their care, many of them have been through so many different health issues. I mean, severe. I witnessed a woman that was having a grand mal seizure, and it brought me to tears. It was so sad. But Dr. Jody was able to leave what he was doing, go tend to her immediately, and with his therapy, he was able to pull her out of the grand mal seizure. It was astounding and just short of a miracle. And we are so impressed with his, and Dr. Tina's too, very tender care of the patients. They are not just a number, come in, what's your problem, here, take a pill. It's like he shows us every single thing. And Simeon, when I say us, Simeon and I, on the charts, the progress that he's making after each application, each treatment. He spends quality time with every single patient. He gives them dignity, and we are all one, very happy group here with all the wonderful results that everyone's getting. He is an outstanding man and physician. We're grateful to have him as our physician. Their support, their encouragement, they go above and beyond the call of duty in helping people with their problems. And we are excited, we're optimistic, and I can't help but encourage anybody that is out there that has any type of disorder and have gone to so many different doctors and healthcare practitioners, and they're all well-meaning, and I believe that they have helped many, many people with their protocols, but not the way Dr. Jody can help. He knows the entire body. He treats the whole person, and we are so excited to have found him, and we're looking forward to more progress. And we encourage anybody and everybody that has any health issues to please see Dr. Jody. You won't be sorry.
My name's Simeon, and I've been seeing Dr. Jody for a few months now, about 15 treatments, and been seeing the most improvement with any other doctor. He's helped me the most. Whipple's disease with my eyes shaking, which indicated I had a weak liver. But now that's almost completely gone, and my restless legs have gotten better. Also, I've been on dialysis for the past 5 years. Since seeing Dr. Jody, I've was peeing just a few drops, but now it's increased quite a bit, so that's exciting. And Dr. Jody has helped me with my balance, helped me to walk straighter and be more grounded, helped me to think clearer and to be more alert. I was very sleepy all the time, and my hands would drop things quite often, and now that doesn't happen. And I was getting sleepy at the wheel while I was driving, when that's no longer there. Dr. Jody has helped me tremendously, and I look forward to future treatments where he will continue to progress and to help me. Dr. Jody is different from the other physicians I've seen, and I've seen a lot. He's very personal, and he explains things well so that we understand it and retain it. And he helps us with understanding the organ remapping. He goes through detail and explains every little aspect of it. And Dr. Jody is one of a kind, and he's very special, and he takes time to make you feel at home and to make you feel welcome. And we're very grateful for his sincerity and his manners. He's very well mannered, and helps you to feel comfortable. And Dr. Tina is also very kind and sweet, and they're a great team.